AMALearning, you're about to. Specification point 1.10. Core Practical. Investigate the effect of pH on enzyme activity. To successfully answer any GCSE question linked to this specification point, you will need to know the steps to complete this investigation. And additionally, how pH can cause an enzyme to denature, the function of carbohydrase, specifically amylase, and the role of iodine and its color change when added to starch. In every exam, you can expect at least one question linked to a required practical. It is therefore important to know the following process. Step 1. Add a few drops of iodine solution to each dimple in a spotting tile. For step 1, it is important to note that iodine turns blue-black in the presence of starch. Step 2. Add a fixed volume of starch, amylase and pH buffer solutions to a water bath at a set temperature. Leave for 5 minutes. For step 2, it is important to note that amylase is an enzyme that breaks down starch into glucose. The water bath will be set around 35 to 40 degrees as this is the optimum temperature for amylase activity. Step 3. Mix the starch solution and amylase solution together. Step 4. Every 30 seconds add a few drops to the spotting tile. Repeat until the iodine does not turn blue to black. Step 5. Repeat for different pHs or different temperatures. For step 3, 4 and 5, it is important to note that initially the iodine turns blue-black but will not change color once the starch has been broken down into glucose. It is important to know why a water bath is used. All the solutions we use are put into a water bath before the experiment starts. This ensures that everything has a chance to get to the same temperature. Our animations were designed by experienced UK-trained teachers. We have been achieving amongst the best results in the country for many years, and we decided it was time to share our success. Have you just AMALed and want to AMAL some more? Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to keep yourself up to date with the latest uploads. AMALearning, you just did.